In this video, we will be looking at an old modular building released back in 2008, the Green Grocer. When I first started to go into modular building series, this set was already retired, and a brand new resale set goes for about 10 times the retail price. So, to recreate this set, I decided to source for parts from my inventory and Bricklink. Some rare parts cost very high, so I did some replacement, but still maintaining the overall look. The main change is the green bricks used on the facade. Instead of the original vertical lines look, I used masonry bricks to create horizontal lines. It looks much nicer to me at a lower cost. For the roof, I'm planning to replace it with a simple slope piece since I had lost a part while moving house. Lastly, the brown printed tile for the storefront signage. It was too expensive on Bricklink, so I left it empty at the beginning, and now I plugged in some signages from other sets. Here's a closer look. For the interior, I kept them accurate to the original build. You can see the difference here for the green brick I used, compared to the original part. For the interior, it will have a brick pattern for the part that I used. It blends well overall and doesn't stand out too much since they are the same color. This is the top floor, and the missing part I mentioned earlier. I do not have enough of the feather looking parts to recreate it, so I will be replacing it with alternate builds. Another thing to mention is that some sand green bricks can be quite expensive, so I use mostly 1x1, 1x2 and 1x4 to build up the walls. In my mind, there are a few upgrades or changes that I will be working on this building. As with my other modular buildings, I will shift it backwards to use up the space at the back and increase the walkway in front. I am also planning to box up this corner to increase the interior space. For the interior, I want to combine this grocery store set and replicate this storefront at the ground level. For the second level, it has a large rectangular space, which is great for me to integrate my Big Bang Theory set, and perhaps expand it with kitchen, toilet and bedroom. For the top floor, Grocer and his friends will be staying there. I will integrate this new Asgard set and again expand it into a proper home. And for the rooftop balcony, it will be part of Thor's home, where he can enjoy barbecue meat and drinks and party with his friends. So please subscribe and come back to my channel for more exciting content as I share my LEGO hobby and progress of my projects and collection. Thank you and see you soon.